Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to animate the text on the Canva. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to animate the text on your Canva, just going to show in this video. So first of all, just open this. So to animate the text, you just need to make the text. If you get the text into animate text in a single text box, it will not work. So it will work, but you just need to split the text like this. If you're having a 3 words, you just split that word sentence into different words. So animate text with Canva like that. Okay, so I just going to show how it's. So animate text with, and I just going to make this here. Okay, let's make text here, and with here it should be big, and here Canva, just type as Canva. Okay, so let's make this so bigger. Okay, now to animate the text, you just need to click the text first of all, and I'm just going to change the text format to caps, so it will be increase of size. You can just change it like this. Okay, now to animate the text, just click on the text first. You will see an option called animate on the top. So here you will see different type of animation. You can just provide different animation for each text. So you can just keep the cursor on it. You can see it automatically shows how it's going to be. So my favorite text animation was pop-up, and also you will see a lot of different type of text animation like this. You can just provide different text animation for everything, so it look like great. Actually the outcome will be super and interesting. So you can just see this how it's going to be. So rotate plus wrinkle like this, or burst. Okay, so now you can see the option of playing option on the top. Just click this. You can see how it's animated. It's so cool actually. So you can just, and so only I just said you just want to split the sentence, so you will see you can get this animation. After creating it, you just can download it, and you can just change the background so it looks so cool. So I'm just going to change this gradient color or something like this, and just can play it like this. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.